Hey everyone, welcome back to your weekly brain snack brought to you by the Quantum Healing Show, where we're all about getting to the root cause and not chasing your symptoms. As you know, each week we introduce you to a new topic. Today's topic is going to be methylation pathways. First off, let me make a note. There are numerous pathways that we could discuss under the methylation folder, but for purposes of this video, I'm going to bring up just 3 or 4 of the main systems behind your methylation pathways and why they need to be operating. So here we go. Number 1, and most importantly, they directly impact how your DNA is going to express itself. So if you have methylation pathways that are compromised, then DNA can express itself in a way that's not favorable to you. For example, cancer or diabetes or other conditions that may run in your family. So DNA expression, number 1. Number 2, they are your on and off switch to get rid of toxins in your body. So if you don't methylate and that switch is off, the body accumulates toxins. Now we go into toxic accumulation. I don't need to tell you why that's not a healthy thing. That's number 2. Number 3, it helps to clear out histamine. And histamine is responsible for things like asthma, allergic reactions, and inflammation. And lastly, which is also probably most importantly, it also helps to keep the cell membrane, the membrane of the cell, which is the brain of the cell, it helps to keep it fluid. If that cell membrane is compromised, you can go into what we call left spin. We have a video on that as well. Left spin, remember the ability for cells to actually absorb nutrients. So, as you can see, methylation pathways are key players and foundational players in your health. So remember, no methylation, compromised health, compromised healing, and yes, we can test for these sort of pathways in clinic. With that said, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the like button, and please hit the notification button so we can get more of this education out to you. Once again, this is your weekly brain snack brought to you by the Quantum Healing Show, and we'll see you next week. Have a wonderful day.